So the post-Olympics drama is gathering steam in Jamaica, even before most of the athletes reach back home. This big hullabaloo now about corporate Jamaica jumping onto the bandwagon of the athletes after their success, but were missing in action when the athletes needed their help in preparing for the Olympics. But what's new though? Now, so we do things from Wapikil Philip. And yes, we do have a wagonist culture in Jamaica when it comes to sports. Not just the private sector, but from the government to corporate Jamaica to the general public. We are a nation of wagonists. But while it would have been great for every athlete to get some financial support while preparing for the Olympics, I think the louder call should be for corporate Jamaica and indeed the government to do more in the areas of infrastructure and development. You know how long the Montego Bay Stadium track won't fix, and how long we are ball for a synthetic track in central Jamaica. This is where we should be bawling out to corporate Jamaica to partner with the government to make the long-term investment for the benefit of future generations of athletes. We know we're excited in the moment, but if we're going to be critical, let's not be myopic about it. Let us be critical with some vision about it. Right?